Gosh, it's great to be alive today, eh? Yes, it is. I think that's been my message all the time. It's great to be alive today, isn't it? It's fantastic. The more you know about things, the more wonderful it is. As long as you've got someone to share it with. Yeah, I hope these dogs have managed to find their way back to Lee Woods with the new owners. If not, they'll have a lot of fun because they won't settle for less excitement than what they've had every day since they met me. These dogs will have exciting lives, even if it means getting put down. Yeah, I can't see you putting up for tedium. Just sit there under my table in the pub until I feel like talking to you. Nah. These are living dogs. They expect the best every day. Yeah, don't worry about tomorrow, guys. That's a human failing I've been trying to get rid of. Don't worry about tomorrow. Get as much as you can out of today. And if your future owner thinks that's fighting, you've got a problem. Yeah, I've done well. Thank you, God. This has been hell. I certainly wouldn't have lived this long without these dogs. Look at that. I ain't got the time to tell you how much pain I've got. It would take all day. Yeah, you can't afford to be thinking about tomorrow. Because tomorrow, everything can change. Ali got lost last night for 4 hours. That reminded me, everything can change. Anytime. You've got to do it and enjoy it right now, when you can. Oi, mate. No, mate. Chasing flies. I got nothing else to worry about. Hooray! Today is fantastic. Here comes Mum. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. I've never written a script for you guys. I've never told you what to do. But that's great. Suits me in my movie.